AC units have come a long way. This thing is freaking amazing. Setup is super quick. It's almost plug and play. It's that easy to install. I decided to turn on the power as soon as I plugged it in before attaching the vent, and I was shook by how powerful the air was on this. To start off with, you have this insert that is adjustable that you place inside of the vertical or horizontal window, and as you can see, it has a hole where you place the vent. Then you place the insert inside the window and you close the window onto the insert. It is so easy. This isn't the permanent location where I'm going to be putting this, so I'm not concerned about the space in the insert on the left side. So let's just ignore that for now. Everything about this unit screams quality. I have gotten a few Garvee products before and I've been very impressed, and I'm so thankful that this AC unit lives up to that expectation. This unit has a 3-in-1 functionality. It's easy to switch between cooling fan and the dehumidifier modes. Yeah, you heard that right. It dehumidifies as well. Man, I could have used this like 10 years ago when I lived in Kansas. And it removes up to 45 pints of moisture per day if you're using the dehumidifier. That's insane. It does also come with a little hose that allows you to drain the water out when it gets full. In this clip, you can hear the airflow brush up against the speaker on my phone, and you can tell how powerful the air is. However, there's something soothing about the sound of this machine. It is not like unreasonably loud. If you guys need more information on this, it'll be linked in the bottom left corner. Definitely be doing some updated videos on this, especially after I put this in my friend's kid's apartment. I love this so much, I almost want to get one for myself because the main level of my house, since it's so old, does not cool like the basement does, and oftentimes I feel like the AC overruns because it's trying to get the whole house cool when just the main level of the house needs to be cooled. Anyway, absolutely love this so far. The link for this will be in the bottom left corner. Take advantage of those sales. Bye.